So next we'll take a look at using the cosine law for an unknown angle. And again, just like always, we have to make sure that the triangle is properly labeled. So here we have a triangle that we know all three sides, and we're looking for angle A, but we don't know the names of the three side lengths, so let's name them. So across from the angle A, we have side length A. Across from angle B, we have side length B, and across from angle C, we have side length C. Okay? And since we know that we're looking for an angle and we know the three side lengths of the uh, triangle in question, we can therefore use the cosine law. We don't need to have a side angle pairing, because if we did, that would be sine law. But in this case, because we have all three side lengths, we can use the cosine law for finding an unknown angle. So since it's angle A that we're looking for, the equation is going to be cos of angle A is equal to b squared plus c squared minus a squared divided by 2 times b times c. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to substitute in the values that I know into this equation, and then I'm going to solve for angle A. So excuse me, I'm just going to keep cos of angle A because I don't know what that is. I'm trying to figure that out. Uh, Side length B is 38 squared. Side length C is 26 squared minus side length A, which is 30 squared. And that's all being divided by 2 times side length B, which is 38, times side length C, which is 26. Okay? So if I go through and I solve this piece, I end up with cosine of angle A is ultimately so 38 squared plus 26 squared minus 30 squared. That's going to give me 1,220. And if I do 2 times 38 times 26, that will give me 1,976. Whoops, let me try that again. 1,976. Okay, so now I want to convert this fraction into a decimal, and I want it to be as accurate as possible, so I'm going to go to 4 decimal places. So cos of angle A is equal to 1220 divided by 1976, and that will give me approximately 0.6174. And if I want to get angle A all by itself and solve for it, I need to get rid of the cos on the left-hand side. And to do that, I would use inverse cos. So I've got angle A is equal to inverse cos, or cos to the negative 1, of 0.6174. Therefore, angle A, whoops, angle A, oh dear, what have I done? Angle A is equal to approximately 52 degrees. Okay, so again, labeling the triangle and identifying what side A, side B, side C are is the biggest step in terms of going through and identifying whether or not you can use cosine law for an unknown angle, then substituting in your variables and solving using the algebra.